Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a cross-chain swap with Thorchain step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a basic understanding of blockchain technology and decentralized finance. Download and install the prerequisites, including Node.js and NPM. Set up your development environment by creating a new project folder. Navigate to your project folder in the terminal. Initialize a new Node.js project using the command npm init. Install the necessary dependencies, such as Thorchain client libraries. Create a configuration file to set up your network parameters. In this file, define the nodes you will connect to, along with their respective URLs. Start by choosing the assets you want to swap between. In your code, create functions to initiate the swap process. Use the Thorchain API to fetch the current exchange rates for the selected assets. Implement functions for handling user inputs, including asset amounts. Integrate wallet connection functionality, enabling users to connect their wallets. Test the connection to the Thorchain network by sending a simple query. Once the connection is established, build the main swap function. In this function, set up the logic to create a swap transaction. Use the Thorchain API to submit the swap and listen for confirmations. Handle success and error events appropriately for user feedback. Implement a user interface using a front-end framework of your choice. Create responsive design elements for a seamless user experience. Test the entire application thoroughly to ensure all functionalities work as intended. Finally, deploy your application to a suitable host or platform for public access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.